This is the end of time, and this is the end of your mind. Your mind in time, and how kind can you be when you unwind every reality? Nothing is seen and nothing is dreamed. Because you have time, you'd have no time. This is time. What was time? That was time. Was it your time? I don't know. Was it my time? You don't know. Those things were timeless. I was timeless. I was mindless. And I had no time. What time is it? I don't know. Is it time for more? No. Is it time for less? Maybe. Don't give it any more of your time. Don't give them any more of their time. Don't give them any more of my time. Don't give it any more of your time. Don't let that time destroy your